Hi everyone, this is Raju from Smart AI Technologies. Welcome back. If you are new to our channel, this is Smart AI Technologies, which is providing complete data science, AI and ML related videos or complete courses. If you want further videos, you can visit to our channel where we done some data science based videos and some best projects on deep learning, machine learning and data science. You can watch them. So we are going to completely publish like these videos in future. We'll be completely publishing complete data analysis using Excel. So this is the second part. Let us start with the second part of our data science with Excel. So here this data set which we used previously, the same data set I am taking and I am moving further. So I call this step as formatting and standardizing the data. So what are the techniques that we are trying to use? What are the functions or equations that we are going to use in this class today? Upper, lower, proper, text to column, concatenation, left, right, find. So what are they and how to use it? So I'll show you what syllabus I'm trying to move with. Okay, so here you see I divided this entire thing into data cleaning, data analysis and data visualization. So that my first video was about removing the duplicates, okay, and handling the missing data. So this video will be having formatting, standardizing the data and dealing with the outliers. So as a part of it, we'll start now here. So first I'm trying to create a new column called upper underscore data, and within that I'm going to use a equation called upper. So it will be equal to upper in capital letter. In the bracket you should provide that data, so that will provide by clicking on the particular element or give the name or location of it, which column and which row. So it was D2, so D2 we provided. Then when we enter, we got the entire column in capital letter. That gender D column will be capitalized and it will be placed in G. In the same manner, what is the lower? So lower will, when you use this lower function over any data, the entire text will be converted into lowercase. For that, what you need to write is equal to lower, and you should present the location or the data. Okay, text. Okay, that also we are providing now upper. Okay, or you can provide D also. Okay, so D2. So now if you want to implement everything on the complete column, you need to click on that corner box plus and you need to drag it down. So it will be applied to entire D column. So this is a lower function that you can see there. Like few of them you can check, okay, whether they converted properly or not. And the next function is proper. Okay, what this proper will do is, if you feed any string data to this proper function, it will convert the first element into capital letter and all other element into lowercase. Okay, so you need to write proper equal to proper, and you need to provide the element that I am providing G2 because it was completely capital. Then when I convert it into proper, only first element will be capital and all other elements will be small. If you want to apply it to the entire column, you need to click on that corner plus and you need to drag it down, so it will be applied to the entire column. Then there is a function called text to column after upper, lower and proper. What is this text to column and when we need to use it? For example, we'll consider data called user underscore name, or better we'll use it as an employee underscore name. Okay, as this data set is employee based, so here I will write a function. Okay, so first we need to have some data employee name. In my case, I'm giving some random data like a underscore 1, b a underscore 2, b underscore 3, or like that. Okay, so you need to give some name. I am not having actual names. Okay, So it should have complete name, first name and second name with some separator. Okay, so here assume like A is the first name and the second name is 1 2 3 or like that. Okay, I'm creating some data, okay, some random data for my experiment. Now if you have some data which is separated by some symbol, how you can separate the first and second name? A is the first name, 1 is the second name, like that. Okay, how you need to separate it and make a new column? That will be done with the help of text to column. Okay, so how we will do it? Where is that option in our case? So here you can see above under data. When you click on data, first you need to select the column. Okay, then you go to data. Okay, then there is a option called text to column. Okay, first you need to select the entire column first, then you need to click on text to columns. Now there is an option. Okay, you need to next go click on next. Okay, let it be delimited, and next here you need to give the symbol which you are using for the separation of first name and last name. In my case it's underscore, so it's other than underscore. Normally it will be comma or semicolon or like that. So when I click OK, so employee will be in first column, name at the second part, first name second name we can call like that. So they will be separated. You understanding? So this is a way of converting text to column based on the given symbol. Okay, now how can I concatenate or join first name and second name to create a full name? If I have first name separate column and second name separate column, how to concatenate? For that I am going to use a function called concatenation or concatenate. So equal to concat, concatenate, concatenate. What is the text you want to concatenate? That one, j1, j2, sorry, j2 comma, I want some separator in middle. So under double quote I am giving the underscore, after that I am giving k2. So it means j2 underscore k2, a underscore 1. If you want to implement it on the entire column, click on the first plus and drag it down. So now you can see it is implemented or it is applied on the entire column. So now we are finished with upper, lower, proper, text to column and concatenation. What is remaining with us is left, find and right. What are these? First we will check one by one. What left will do, what right will do, and what find will do. Okay, first we'll see, we'll try to apply left. How to use left to access the data, to get the data. What is a text? In our case text, let us take full name as a text. Okay, now left, it means whatever the number you are going to give, based on that the element from that left is selected. Okay, left of which element and what is the location, 1 or 2 or like that. So if you give that location, that element will be displayed. So that's what this left and rights are used. Even the same thing you can do with the help of right. Using right, how we can implement that right, and how to access element from right side. Right, that element comma 1, if you do, it means the rightmost element, the rightmost first element in the given string will be given. So here it will be equal to rigs3, right? So which element, which text, it will be L1, L2 comma number, like first element, second element from right. So from right we wanted first element, so it's 1. When you drag down, if you see line number 36, it's 5 only. Why? A underscore 35, it will give only 5 because it told only the last element from the last is 5, like that. Okay, it will try to give the last element. So now there is one more function remaining, that is find. using find, what we can do? So what is the need of find? If you want to locate any elements location with the help of like, for example, if I say underscore, where is that underscore, how to find it, in which location is that? So that will be given with the help of, or it will be detected with the help of find function. Find, you need to find, first give the text, which text you want to find. In my case, underscore I want to find. So in which text? It's full name L2. Okay, in L2 I want to find out the location of underscore. Okay, from which location you want to move, from first or second or third? If you give third, it will give error, because after third there is no underscore at all. If you give two, that will be given. Okay, if you give one also, it will be given. If you give three, there is no underscore. Okay, if there is another underscore after three, if I have a name, a lengthy name, and if there is any element, okay, after three or four, it will give that element, otherwise it will be error. Okay, that's what I am trying to show there. Okay, this is a way of getting find out the location of the element that you give, maybe symbol or element or like that. Okay, particular thing, if you want to find it out,